Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create macros in Microsoft Outlook. Macros are incredibly powerful tools that allow you to automate repetitive tasks in Outlook, saving you valuable time and streamlining your workflow. Whether you're managing dozens of emails daily or performing routine organizational tasks, learning to create macros will significantly boost your productivity. Let's get started. First, you'll need to open your Microsoft Outlook app. Once the application launches, log into your account and wait for your emails to load completely. This initial step is important because you need to be fully logged in with all your data loaded before you can access the macro creation tools. Take a moment to ensure everything has loaded properly before moving forward. Now that your email has loaded, we're ready to begin creating your macro. Direct your attention to the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. You'll notice a search bar positioned prominently for easier navigation. Click on this search bar and type in the word macros. This search function is designed to help you quickly locate features without having to navigate through multiple menus, making the process much more efficient. From the results that appear on your screen, look for the option labeled Run Macros. Hover your cursor over this result, and you'll notice that a macro menu appears on the right side of your screen. This contextual menu provides quick access to macro-related functions. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the next stage. A small macros window will now appear on your screen. This is where the actual creation process begins. In this window, you'll see a field where you can enter a name for your macro. Take a moment to think of a descriptive name that clearly indicates what your macro will do. This naming convention will help you identify and manage your macros more effectively in the future, especially as you create more of them over time. After entering your chosen name, click on the Create button. This action will launch the Visual Basic window, which is the environment where you'll actually build the functionality of your macro. The Visual Basic window might look intimidating at first if you're not familiar with coding, but it's a straightforward tool once you understand the basics. Here you can start creating commands for your macro by writing or pasting the code that defines what actions your macro will perform. This could include anything from automatically filing emails into specific folders to generating template responses or formatting messages in a particular way. Once you've finished configuring all the commands for your macro and you're satisfied with how it's set up, click on Save. This crucial step ensures that all your work is preserved and that your macro will be available for use whenever you need it. And there you have it. You've successfully created a macro in Microsoft Outlook that can help automate your email tasks. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.